Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable remote access on your Mac. Whether you want to connect to your Mac from another computer or allow someone else to access it remotely, I'll walk you through the exact steps. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thanks. Let's get started. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings from the drop-down. Once you're in, make sure you're on the General tab. If not, click General in the left sidebar. Now scroll down and select Sharing. In the Sharing section, look for Remote Login and Remote Management. Let's focus on Remote Login. To enable it, toggle the switch on. To disable it, just toggle the switch off. If you turn it on, click the small eye icon next to Remote Login to view connection details. Here, you'll find the command needed to connect remotely from another device. You'll also see some important options. Allow full disk access for remote users. Allow access for... You can limit access to certain users. By default, it's set to administrators, but you can change it to all users or manually add specific users using the ++ button. Once everything is set up, you can use the login details shown to connect to your Mac remotely from another computer. And that's it. You've now enabled or disabled remote access on your Mac. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions.